Chelsey Kuper, registered dietitian with Digestive Care Center, and this is Simply Made Meals. And today I'm going to be showing you a way that you can enjoy your vegetables. And it's a really simple cooking technique that you can do with almost any vegetable. So let's get started. So I'm going to be roasting vegetables today, and what I've chosen is a red bell pepper, and I have some broccoli and cauliflower and some onions. And first what you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees, which I've done. And then I have a baking sheet here, and I've just sprayed it with cooking spray. So what I've done, you can just use pre-chopped veggies sometimes if you want it to be a little more convenient, or you can chop them on your own. So I'm going to chop my red bell pepper, and to do it you just want to cut around the top to get the stem off. And remove that. And something I've learned just to get the most out of what you got at the store is to actually use some of this top part of the bell pepper. Don't throw it away. It'll give you a little bit more there to eat, so go ahead and you can just easily tear it off. And then discard this part, and then go ahead and chop the rest of the bell pepper, and I like to do it in bigger chunks here. Okay, now that all my veggies are prepped, I'm just putting them in the middle of the pan, kind of in a pile. And then I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over the top. Just about a tablespoon is all that you need. And again, I mentioned you can do any vegetables that you like. The cooking times will just differ. So other things to roast would be asparagus, or even squash or zucchini. Even green beans. You can roast anything, and then just give it a little toss in the olive oil. I just love roasting vegetables. I think they get a different flavor than if you cook them other ways, and they get kind of a grilled flavor and a little bit charred in different parts, so it makes them taste really good. Now spread them out on your pan, and doesn't that look pretty, just all the different colors? And then go ahead and season it. And just with the roasting the vegetables, it gives it such good flavor that you don't need to do much with seasoning. So again, I'm keeping it simple and just going to do a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper and some garlic powder. Then I'm going to stick these in the oven. These types of vegetables, it'll take just about 15 minutes to roast at 425. So my veggies have been roasting for about 15 minutes, so I'm going to pull them out of the oven. This is when you can really start to smell them. Alright, and again, you can cook them however long you want, but you'll start seeing a charred top and really start to smell them. So they are done. And again, I mentioned that you can roast almost any vegetable. Especially if there's a vegetable that maybe you haven't liked in the past, I would try roasting it and you might change your mind. So you can find this recipe and others on our website at dccevv.com in the nutrition section.